Hello and welcome to this video about catalytic converters. In this video, we will discuss what catalytic converters are, why we use them, how they work, and the current news and developments surrounding them. Let's start with the basics. What is a catalytic converter? A catalytic converter is a device that is installed in the exhaust system of a vehicle to reduce harmful emissions. It was first introduced in the 1970s, and since then it has become a crucial component in modern vehicles. Now, why do we use catalytic converters? The answer is simple: to reduce air pollution. When a vehicle burns fuel, it produces a variety of harmful pollutants, such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds. These pollutants can cause serious health problems and contribute to climate change. Catalytic converters work by converting these harmful pollutants into less harmful substances. So, how do catalytic converters work? The core of a catalytic converter is a ceramic or metallic honeycomb structure that is coated with a catalyst, usually platinum, palladium, or rhodium. When exhaust gases pass through the honeycomb, the catalyst triggers a chemical reaction that converts the harmful pollutants into less harmful substances. For example, carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide, and nitrogen oxides are converted into nitrogen and oxygen. However, the performance of a catalytic converter can be affected by a variety of factors, such as the quality of the fuel, the temperature of the exhaust, and the age of the converter. It's important to maintain your catalytic converter and ensure that it's working properly. Now, let's talk about the current news and developments surrounding catalytic converters. Despite their effectiveness in reducing emissions, some experts have raised concerns about the environmental impact of catalytic converters. For example, the production of catalytic converters requires the mining and refining of precious metals, which can have negative environmental consequences. Additionally, there is a growing trend towards electric vehicles, which do not require catalytic converters. However, there are also new technologies and materials being developed for catalytic converters that could make them more efficient and environmentally friendly. For example, researchers are exploring the use of non-precious metals as catalysts, which could reduce the cost and environmental impact of producing catalytic converters. In conclusion, catalytic converters are an important component in the fight against air pollution. They work by converting harmful pollutants into less harmful substances, and they have been instrumental in reducing emissions from vehicles. While there are concerns about their environmental impact, there are also new developments and technologies that could make them even more effective and sustainable in the future. Catalytic converters are a valuable component in a vehicle's exhaust system because they contain precious metals such as platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Unfortunately, this also makes them a target for thieves who can sell them for a high price on the black market. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the theft of catalytic converters, particularly in areas with high vehicle traffic and a high concentration of older cars. The theft of catalytic converters can cost vehicle owners hundreds or even thousands of dollars to repair. Some car owners have resorted to installing protective shields or security cameras to deter thieves. In terms of the current market price of catalytic converters, the price varies depending on the type of metal used in the converter and the current market demand for that metal. As of February 2023, the price of palladium, which is commonly used in catalytic converters, is around $80,000 per kilogram, while the price of rhodium is around $440,000 per kilogram. Despite the challenges posed by theft and fluctuating metal prices, catalytic converters remain a crucial component in modern vehicles. They work by converting harmful pollutants into less harmful substances and are instrumental in reducing emissions from vehicles. While there are concerns about their environmental impact, there are also new developments and technologies that could make them even more effective and sustainable in the future. Thank you for watching this video about catalytic converters. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.